DQ Blizzard menu list. Visit menuph.com to get the DQ Blizzard menu prices. Click the link at the description. In this day and back in the days, ice cream becomes one of the most popular choices when it comes to desserts. Ice cream becomes popular hundreds of years ago, and nowadays manufacturers of this cold dessert created hundreds of different flavors to choose from. The innovation of this cold treat made it more fun and exciting throughout the years. Let's start exploring the DQ Blizzard menu. A popular ice cream brand that can be seen in major malls and other locations worldwide. We are going to know their whereabouts, flavors to offer, and what's with their brand to make their success this big on the market. About Blizzard. DQ Blizzard are providing its consumers with mouthwatering delicious treats to satisfy their cravings since 1940. Their story of success begins with the sale of their unnamed product back in the day. The story starts with a father and son partnership in Illinois that's been experimenting on soft frozen products. They contacted a good friend of theirs who agreed to run an all-you-can-eat trial sale in his ice cream shop, and within 2 hours they already served more than 1,600 of their new products. When the United States entered the war, World War II, there were only less than 10 DQ stores, but after the war their success becomes drastic. With only 100 stores it grew to more than 6,000 stores. In the United States alone they already have 4,455 stores in 2018. They also have stores outside the United States like Canada, and other Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Their headquarters is in Bloomington, Minnesota, and their largest franchise is located in Saudi Arabia. The key to success for this brand is simple. Satisfied customers lead to a successful restaurant. Each owner of a DQ franchise worldwide is committed to the "so good it's ridiculous" slogan. A popular Dairy Queen item is Blizzard, a soft-served mechanically blended cold treat with mix-in ingredients such as sundae toppings, pieces of brownies, candy or cookies, and nuts. Now serving in the major malls and locations in the Philippines. The DQ Blizzard is already popular for its delicious ice cream menu. The DQ Blizzard Secret Menu offers new flavors for Blizzard. But of course, secret menus are always interesting. Check out these items and for sure one will be your favorite. Banana Split Blizzard. The Banana Split Blizzard combine the deliciously fruity and ice cream combination taste in a cup. You can also add extra bananas and other add-ons, though the price may vary depending on your local DQ. Just ask for the name and the crew knew already how to do it perfectly for you. Chocolate Chip Blizzard. This is a smart innovation from your typical vanilla Blizzard. It is not just adding chocolate chip on your vanilla ice cream, but rather hardened chocolate where they dip their ice cream cones. To get this, just order a vanilla Blizzard and ask the crew to add hardened chocolate where they dip their ice cream cones in. Simple and a yum. Coffee Blizzard. Are you a fan of coffee? If yes, then you should consider ordering this one next time that you go to their shop. To order, just ask for an Oreo or vanilla Blizzard, then tell them to add coffee syrup. One of my personal favorites. Frozen hot chocolate. It's just simple chocolate milk with whipped cream and chocolate syrup with chopped ice cubes to keep it cool. Perfect for hot summers to quench your thirst. Just ask for frozen hot chocolate and request chopped ice cubes. Take note that this might not be available all year round, but if it is, you'll definitely have to try this. Marshmallow Creme. Are you a fan of marshmallows? Then this one is for you. At any DQ Blizzard store, just ask for extra marshmallow creme on any frozen treat that you order. The price may vary, but for sure this is absolutely delicious. Midnight Truffle Blizzard. This one is popular as it became the Blizzard of the month, a sweet vanilla Blizzard with fudge and chocolate truffles. Just order a vanilla Blizzard and ask them to mix in dark cocoa fudge and truffle bits. One of my personal favorites as well, and a must-try. Peanut Butter Parfait. This Blizzard boasts hot fudge, plus crunchy peanuts. This topping can be added to any of your orders. Just ask for hot fudge and peanuts on top of your order, and this for sure would be your new favorite. If you're not allergic to peanuts, of course. There are a lot of good DQ Blizzard menus, but the chocolate chip cookie dough Blizzard is the most popular Blizzard flavor. This Blizzard is heaven in every bite. With a great ratio of ice cream and cookie dough, this is just perfect. What makes this Blizzard flavor stand out is the chocolate fudge. Adding the chocolate fudge made the ice cream more chocolatey. I'm not surprised that this flavor is the most popular. Try it yourself and you'll get hooked on it. Get in touch with DQ Team. If you have comments and suggestions regarding the Blizzard menu or something else, you can contact them through their website https://dairyqueen.com.ph/contact us/. You can also reach them through their social media accounts. Facebook. https://facebook.com/dairyqueen Philippines/ Instagram. https://www. Instagram.com/dairyqueenfull/ Twitter. https://twitter.com/dq_Philippines/. Conclusion. Now that we have already explored the DQ Blizzard menu and the whereabouts of this product, all I can say is that the American brand DQ Blizzard is one of our best options in the market for consumers that are looking for a good tasting and premium quality ice cream. All of their products are carefully created to ensure their product quality and good customer experience. Once you tasted their product, it will surely keep you coming back for more. We can easily find Blizzard in almost every mall in the country, and that is A+ as well. A must-try for any ice cream lovers or people who love cold desserts. A great experience at an affordable price.